Hello. In this video, I will show you some steps you can take to make your PowerPoints more accessible. Before you share any PowerPoints to your course or send them out through email, you should take some time and make sure they're accessible to any screen reader, such as Ally, which both you and your students have access to through Brightspace. In this video, I will show you how to make sure that each of your slides within your PowerPoint presentation have a specific and descriptive slide title. These slide titles act as chapters within the document itself, much like how headings work within a Word document. It is going to be a lot easier for students to remember where a specific piece of information is if that slide has a specific and descriptive title, rather than trying to remember that piece of information is on slide 9 out of 22. Like all steps you take in making your documents more accessible, this will benefit all students in your class, not just the ones who prefer to use a screen reader. We can see here this PowerPoint uploaded directly into Brightspace. And when reviewing the PowerPoint, we can click on this outline view. It will bring up a list of all the slides and show you the title attached to each slide. You can see here that a lot of these already do have some descriptive and specific titles, so we can tell what exactly is going to be included on that slide. But you can also see that some of these slides, while they look like they have titles, there is no official title attached to the slide, and it's either left blank or just with slide 9 or slide 13. Not really giving much information to students who use a screen reader or any other student in what is actually on that slide. The easiest way for you to make sure that each slide has a title when creating your PowerPoint is to make sure that you're using the default layouts within the slide themes. When creating your PowerPoint and going to add a new slide from this Home tab at the top of your document and then clicking New Slide, you can click the downward arrow to see an option of all the different layouts within your slideshow. As long as you're using one with a placeholder that is click to add a title, and you add a descriptive title to that text box, that slide will have a title attached to it. If you do any editing of the slide though, there is a chance that you delete this placeholder text box and have to insert your own. There is a way you can check to make sure that each slide has a title, and that is through the outline view within PowerPoint. So here in our document, going up to the View tab at the top, and then over here on the left-hand side, we can see the outline view. Clicking on outline view will open up on the left-hand side here, instead of a visual preview of each of the slides, this outline. Next to each of these slide icons, you'll notice in bold if the slide has a title attached to it. So here for slide 3, we can see the title is Today's Agenda. Whereas slide 2 here, or slide 4, both are lacking a specific or descriptive title. Easiest way to add it is by clicking directly next to the box for slide 4, or any slide with a missing title, and then typing in the title there. You can see here that it does look like there is a title, Circle Prompts, but it is just a text box, and a screen reader won't be able to tell that is a title versus just regular text on the slide. So what we can do is type in here, Circle Prompts. You'll notice that it has added a text box there for us, but this is labeled as the title for the slide. With that done, we can go ahead and delete our previous one, and then we have a slide for the title that is readable to any screen reader. You want to go through and make sure that this is the same for any of your slides. So here, the same with slide 5, it needs a title. We're just going to copy what's here and then paste it here to have our slide title. Again, you find this outline view by coming to the view at the top and then clicking outline view, where you can add in the slide titles.